How to update the cTrader application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're an Android or iPhone and want to update the cTrader app, then first of all, make sure that you unlock your device and then go open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. In the search bar at the top, after you open up Play Store or App Store, type in cTrader and search. Look for the cTrader application and open up its info section. If there is an update available yet to be downloaded, you'll see the update button. Tap on the update button right underneath the cTrader app and then wait for the update to complete. Once the update is complete, you can tap on the open button to launch the latest version of the app. But if you don't see the update button, then it means you already are currently running on the latest version of the app. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.